is up, Lambros? SteveCurrington.com here. If you're new, I'm Lambro Steve. Today I'm in my 2017 Lamborghini Huracan, and we've made some changes to it. Did a new wrap, and actually this is our first wrap, courtesy of White Glove Auto Wraps. You guys know White Glove because they've done a whole bunch of other stuff to my car, like the K40 and the powder coating the wheels. He just put spacers on. He's done my decals. He does details, ceramic coating. They do a ton of stuff. But two big things that happened to the car. One is kudos to my friend Clay with the blue Huracan. You'll find him on Instagram, Boost Stable. He's been in a previous video for hooking me up. He hooked me up with his remote start, and so I'll be highlighting that here in a few. I'll show you guys how it works. But it's all tied directly to my original Lamborghini remote, so it's pretty cool. And then we're on our way to White Glove. We got this thing done last night late. It was pouring rain, but I was like, I'm taking my car. It's been 3 weeks. So I'm headed back to White Glove. Now that the sun's out, we're gonna get it in the shop, clean it up, and get some photos of it. And when I do that, I will show you guys how the remote start works, and then I'll put a link down in the description to his company so you can go figure it out and see if it works for you. But he does, obviously this is a Lamborghini, but they do the remote start plug and play on a bunch of different cars. So we'll be back when I get to White Glove. Later. Okay, Lambros, we've made it. It's freezing. I think it's like 55 degrees, but it feels freezing. It's really cold, but you can see the car in the background. I tried to get it in the sun so you can see, but now it's given itself its own shade. But let's check out the new wrap, and then I'll explain what's going on with it. So it's obvious, as you guys know, that I meet a lot of police, and so we do support the police, but I think the police maybe forget that we support the police. So I figure the next time I get pulled over will probably be within days. We will have a nice police message that Blue Lives Matter. And I want to show you something else. I told you about the remote start that 12 Volt Solutions did. So we got that, our remote start kit there. And look what we did on this side. It's the Lambros all the way, the big giant badge. But super kudos to Clay with the blue Huracan for the remote start kit that's on there. And then I'll show you guys how it fires up. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you the remote start, which is plug and play, and it goes directly to my Lamborghini remote by 12 Volt Solutions. So I'll get a little bit of ways. It also has a cell phone module, so you can get on your iPhone, and it's got in there, I can go on the app and start it. But you click this 3 times, and the car fires up, and then when you want to kill it, click it 3 more times and the car dies. Here it goes. Get ready. Now, I don't have any friends other than Clay that have a remote start on a Lamborghini, so if you're one of my Lambros, reach out. I'll put a link in the description so that you can reach out to Clay and get a remote start on your Lambo so you don't have to be jealous. But today, we're heading to lunch with a bunch of the homies. They have not seen the car. We just got it out just a little bit ago, so we're gonna head to Cheesecake Factory and have some lunch. I'll shoot some footage when we get there, and I'll be back shortly. Our lunch spot. All these guys parked way out here, but you know, put my car at the front, so we'll go in and see what's happening, and then when we come out, we'll line up all the cars and maybe do a rev off. We got a few new exhausts. James has the Aventador with the new exhaust. Miko has his new exhaust on his SLR, which is about to hit 50,000 miles, so we'll have to do a rev. Hey, there goes my color. We switch it out and it follows us. I love it. Okay, we made it to Cheesecake Factory, and this is the life of a supercar owner, I think. Everyone's on their phone except for the people ordering. Look. Freddie on the phone, James on the phone, Omar just got off the phone, Miko on the phone. Closing deals. We'll be back. I just found Evil Mercy, except it's not a Mercy anymore. It's the Aventador. What have you done to this thing?
So far, just the exhaust. We're getting ready to pull the cats out this week and get some flames. I need flames.
Oh, we need flames.
Flames. Yeah, in fact, Might have to wrap it too. Sitting here thinking.
Oh yeah, I got him pumped.
Yeah.
What do you think of the wrap, James?
I love it.
Think it looks good?
Sick.
So we have Omar here with the Bentley Continental, which is sweet, the Aventador, and then the Huracan. And the SLR just left. We didn't quite get him before he bounced out. But I think we need to hear some revs and Evil's new Aventador because it's got the new exhaust, so let's hear it.
You want to hear it?
You rev it up. Here we go. Dang, bro. Yeah. We need some flames. We need some flames. But last thing is this. So check this out. Not only do I have my remote start to my key, but there is an app like this that I can now start my car from the air. Remote start from your iPhone. And we'll see how long it takes for the signal to get there. I just hit the remote start. You have to get this through your car. There it goes. Now, if we could only remote rev it, that'd be awesome. If you could get something hooked up to it to where you can.
That's some next level stuff.
Get to work, Clay. Make it happen.
Yeah, Clay, you have to get remote rev. That's the thing. Plug and play remote rev. I can hit a button and be like, whoa, whoa. Because then we could sit inside and just scare the crap out of people.
Drive people nuts.
That'd be the thing, yeah. So, hey, we're going to drive, run. I have to actually go to do some work today, so I'm going to go do that. Thanks for watching. Go check out 12volt.solutions because he does plug and play remote start for about every car you can think of. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Later.